For more than 60 years, a dragway in Charleston has been home to countless races, championships, and memories. But now that track is shifting gears for the future.
One of the things that we decided to do when we come in to show the racing community that we're invested as owners is we put new concrete in from the burnout box up towards the starting line.
Mike Irwin purchased the Coles County Dragway towards the end of January and is making sure to leave his mark early on. But for Mike, this dragway is more than just a dragway.
I had to talk my wife into it, but she went along with it because she knows my passion for cars and racing and knows that my dad used to bring me out here when I was a kid, and so there's a lot of history there.
And Mike has these memories all because of a group of friends with an idea back in 1965. Terry Noble was one of those friends with that idea, and he's one of the original builders of the Coles County Dragway.
So they talked about it, and then all at once they decided, let's quit talking. Neil says, I've got the asphalt. Dick says, I've got some money. Fuquay said, yeah, I've got the land. So he said, let's do it.
Now, while building the Coles County Dragway back in 1965, some of Terry's fondest memories aren't even at the track itself. His greatest memories were building this bridge right behind me on the entryway to the Coles County Dragway.
Do you think we can get an 80,000-pound dump truck full of asphalt across that creek? Fuquay says, no, I've got the big I-beams. He said, I've got the dirt movers and the bulldozer and everything. He said, I'll build a bridge, and we'll put dirt on each side and bring it up, and we'll cross it. And what I build, it will hold it.
The dragway is in new hands now, and Terry is sure optimistic about it.
But now we're in a new regime, and I'm kind of excited about it. I mean, I'm too old to be too excited, but I'm pretty excited about it.
Mike understands that and wants to continue Terry's legacy.
It's important for me to carry on with that, and I want to make it mutually beneficial, not just as an owner, but as a racer and the spectators. We want to give them a great show and put on the safest show that we can.
In Charleston, I'm Andrew Spaid for WEIU Newswatch.